You are going to love the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, running boards, power driver mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.